MiTek's commitment to off-site manufacturing has always been centered around our component manufacturers.
It's important for us to be able to connect with our component manufacturers because as much as we can learn about them and know about them, the more that we can service them.
As the component manufacturer leaves our booth and leaves the BCMC show, I hope they realize that we have asked the questions and we have made the pivots within our automation and our software to solve their problems.
What we're really showcasing more than anything in our automation division is our commitment to meeting the market demand. We're expanding our manufacturing capabilities. We're also improving our products. So we are evolving as an automation company and as a machinery manufacturer. It's just a commitment to continuous improvement. We have really solid products that we have to stand behind for decades. And so we're in it for the long haul.
At BCMC every year, we get the true voice of customer communications about the things that are going on within their design and modeling software, their production software, and their business management software. We came here today to show them the things that we've done over the past year to help improve their processes within the shop.
We understand the challenges that you're having, and we want to be there to be able to bridge the gap with our services. Design, estimating, production, material takeoffs. We're going to say we're the best because we're the partner who can offer them a complete solution.
I want the component manufacturers that came to BCMC this year to walk away knowing that MiTek is here to support you. We hear you, we're listening to you, and we're working to make things more efficient for you.